I bet you didn't know the GST overhaul could light a fire under Indian stocks, until today. Let's break down why the market surged and what you need to watch next. The NSE Nifty 50 jumped about 0.53%, closing at 24,845. The BSE Sensex gained 0.55%, ending just above 81,000. So what sparked the rally? The big news, a major GST reform. The council slashed the 4-slab tax structure down to 2, cutting rates on daily essentials from September 22nd. This move will boost domestic consumption and cost the government far less than expected. Sector-wise, autos took off. Mahindra soared 6%. Eicher Motors gained about 3%. Consumer staples rallied across the board. Britannia rallied within 2% to 6%. Colgate rallied within that range. Nestle also gained between 2% and 6%. Despite a large GST hike on tobacco, ITC gained ground. Godfrey Phillips also rose. Markets also got a boost from a weaker US dollar, strong global cues, and bullish technicals. Early trading saw Nifty and Sensex spike over 1%, led by auto and FMCG stocks. But here's the catch: September is often volatile for Indian markets. Analysts say sustained gains depend on better corporate earnings and continued capital spending. Bottom line, optimism is high, but stay alert. Want a deeper dive into sectors or company moves? Tell us in the comments.